from RSR International School. Our project is Hi-Fi Highways. Nature of River. Novel solution or indigenous design to a problem and investigation based on rational. Spread awareness about what we consume. For instance, foods which we feel high cost and high taste are highly luxurious and can affect our health. Along with awareness, what are the solutions to these unconscious problems and the jam labeled and marketed by Kisan or any other does not contain even 1% fruit. As per their labels, they contain high harmful sugars and risk preservatives like sodium benzoate, potassium sorbate, and sodium metabisulfite. Dyes like ascorbate are carcinogenic and harmful for the enzymes in the body. Impacts: early aging, early maturation, cancer, obesity, chronic diseases. The alternatives for jam are use date paste and honey. Many ketchup marketed by popular brands like Kissan or any other company, they appear healthier due to the neat tomato, but it actually contains 28% actual tomato paste as per FSSAI minimum requirement. The alternatives for ketchup are homemade ketchup and Greek yogurt with herbs. The correct message is that it is made from the best quality product. But the reality is it is deeply fried, high in calories, oil and oil fat, and it is low in nutrients. The alternatives for less are roasted chana and moong dal. Chips and coffee snacks marketed by popular brands are just made to appear. It attracts people to attractive packaging and advertising. But before you buy the package, check the label. It contains many harmful ingredients, refined palm oil, corn starch, maida, which are very harmful to our health. It claims it is made with pure milk and honey, but the reality was it contains carbohydrates. It is high in sugar. Kinder Joy is marketed with reveal the truth behind your favorite food. Kinder Joy is widely known as chocolatey and taste sweet for kids, but it does not contain any nutritional value. It contains very harmful chemicals which causes diseases in young ages. Alternatives for Kinder Joy are nut laddu and CCM plus jaggery chicken. Oral rehydration, salt liquid and solution. Many of you may drink this liquid when you feel ill or during dehydration, but if you check the ingredients once, it contains harmful ingredients like salt, sugars like sucrose and nitrates, which are very harmful to our body. And if you observe the label very closely, you can see that it is only a trademark and it's not a brand, and it is not recommended by WHO. When we compare liquids with solution, the solution is recommended by WHO, which contains electrolytes like sodium, potassium, chloride, and dextrose, which helps us when we eat. Alternatives for coconut water, lemon juice, and buttermilk. People are drinking the liquids with or without doctor's prescription. It harms our health, but the solution can be consumed with or without doctor's prescription. What is the real paneer is made from the curdled milk only. The real paneer is made from the curdled milk only. It is white in color and smells milky and tasty. But the fake paneer is made from the emulsifier system. It contains starches and vegetable oils. It is rubbery and has artificial sweetness. Paneer. Paneer is a protein rich food in our Indian diets and culture, but nowadays we have Answer International. Sustainable agriculture based on the novel solutions for Indian cropping or challenge, investigation-based studies, scientific principles and crop prevention, sustain soil fertility to observe nitrogen. Materials used are soil sample, water sample, and farm module. The main purpose of this project is not to impact the climate, not to alter the micronutrients present in the soil, to avoid the impact of inorganic residues on the human average lifespan, making farming as a precious skill. First step in sustainable agriculture is soil setting. Soil setting means creating and maintaining soil that is naturally fertile and chemical-free without disturbing elements of the soil. Organic matter improves soil texture, aeration, and fertility. Compost from kitchen waste, vermicompost from your manure, biomass of soil produce and green manure. Mix about 20 to 25% of green manure to top 15 to 20 centimeters of soil. To introduce beneficial microorganisms by using Jeevamrut or Jeevamrut, Panchgavya, biofertilizers like Rhizodium and Trichoderma. Natural maintenance, mulching with dry leaves and straw, crop rotation by alternate legume and cereal crops, intercropping and mixed farming. Use organic pest repellents only. Seed quality or scheduling, water testing. Place the seeds in the leader protected water for 30 minutes. In the bottle for generally healthy and viable. Make the disinfected seeds once before sowing by soaking the seeds for 15 to 20 minutes in a mild solution of hydrogen plus water or disinfectant and let the seeds in shade before sowing. Weed management. Organic mulching and composting. Organic mulches like dry leaves and straw prevent weeds from getting sunlight. Compost waste instead of burning them, recycle nutrients and reduces waste. Use clean seeds. Manure before sowing to enrich the soil and prepare it for seed apply. Farmyard manure 10 to 20 tons per hectare. Compost or vermicompost 2 to 5 tons per hectare. And during sowing. Improves germination and reduces early stage for nutrient deficiency. Jeevamrut or Jeevamrut compost mixed with soil and oil. During crop produce, farmers study by diluting at least 2 months with water and it provides continuous nutrition and enhances plant naturally. After harvesting manure, to restore the nutrients taken by the crop, add compost or green manure to enrich the soil nutrients. Or grow legume cover plants like groundnuts, cowpeas, without this nitrogen. Leave crop residues to decompose naturally. It reduces erosion and improves the humus content. Natural pesticides. Neem cake acts as natural pesticides. It contains azoxystrobin which repels and kills harmful insects and prevents pest eggs from hatching and larvae from breeding at roots. Keep the soil pest free for a long time. Marketing.